Open up the piano and let's play Blessed Assurance. Now, this time we're going to play the melody line for this song. Before we dive into the melody line, let us understand the time signature and key signature. The time signature for this song is 9/8. Now, what does 9/8 mean? 9/8 means there are a total of 9 quaver beats in a bar. Quaver beats is half a count, so there are 9 half count in a bar. So when we are doing our counting, we're going to count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're gonna have it in the D major, so you can see there's 2 sharps for it, F sharp and C sharp, meaning whenever you see a F note, you need to sharp it, and whenever you see a C note, you need to sharp it. By default, you need to sharp the F sharp and a C sharp. After understanding our time signature and key signature, let's dive into this song, Blessed Assurance melody. We're going to start with finger 3 on the F sharp. Okay, all of the fingerings that's mentioned in this tutorial are all optional. Okay, feel free to use your own comfortable fingering. I'm going to use finger 3 on F sharp. We're going to step down to E, step down to D, and then we're going to stretch finger 5 to A. 2, 3, A, 2, 3. Dotted crotchet is 3 quavers. That's why I'm counting in 3s. A, 2, 3, A, 2, 3. And then after that, I'm going to squeeze my finger 2 to G so that I can have a little bit more space for the upper notes, the higher notes. So I have a G, A, B, down to A, 2, 3. And the next note is a high, meaning we are not going to play, but we're going to hold for the entire length. And then after that, we have a A again. So, and then our finger 2 stretch down to F sharp, and then back to A. Okay, so this is our first line. So let's play smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and we go. 2, 3, A, 2, and go. G, A, B, A, 2, 3, tie, and go. A, F sharp, A. Now for line 2, we're going to stretch up finger 5 to high D. And then we're going to go down to C sharp because the D major has C sharp. We're going to stretch down to C sharp and then play a C sharp again. And then we're going to step down to B to A to G sharp and back to A again. Okay, but for the timing, I have a high D, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to come down to C sharp for a crotchet. Now a crotchet has 2 quavers. So it's a 1, 2, 1. Okay, so 2 C sharps is going to be a 1, 2, 1, B, A, G sharp, A, 2, 3, tie, and tie. Okay, and then we're going to continue just like the beginning, back to F sharp again. F sharp, E, D, A, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, G, A, B. Let's play line 2, smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, high D, go. 1 D and go. C sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, A, 2, 3, 1, 2, and go. You have sharp, E, D, A, 2, 3, A, and G, G, A, B. We ended on B, and then now for line 3, we have a A on finger 3. A, 2, 3. Same thing, we're going to tie the next A note, the dotted crotchet, tie, tie, tie. And then we're going to stretch our thumb to D, low D, like the original first position. Then we're going to have a D, one step up to E, one step up to F sharp, G and N, down to E and N. Then we're going to end the line D, E, C sharp, D, 2, 3, tie and tie. So let's play third line smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go. A, 2, 3, tie and go. D, E, F sharp, G and N, E and go. D, E, C sharp, D and N, tie and N. So now let's play smoothly. First 3 lines. 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go. F sharp, E, D, A and go G, G, A, B, A, 2, 3, and we go. A, F sharp, A, high D, to C, C, B, A, G sharp, A, and tie, and we go. F sharp, E, D, A, and A again, and go G, G, A, B, A, and do tie, and go. D, E, F sharp, G, and E, and D, E, C sharp, D, and tie, and N. Now for the fourth line, we have 3A. We're going to use finger 2 on A. Then we're gonna stretch our finger 5 to D, and A again, and finger 3 on B. B, 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 A, and tie, and A, A. Okay, so let's play. Next line, smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go. A, D, and A, and B, 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 A, and tie, and A. Next line, we have a B where we're going to use our finger 3, B and N, stretch to high D and N, and we have a C sharp to B. We're going to go one step down using our finger 4, C sharp, B, C sharp. We're going to use 4, 4, 3, 4, and then we're going to have a tie, and then we're going to continue with a C sharp, D, E, D and N, fly down to A. And then we have a B, A, B. One step up, one step down, one step up. Okay, so let's play smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go. B, N, D, N, C sharp, B, C sharp, 2, 3, tie, and we go. C sharp, D, E, D, N, A, N, B, A, B. And last line, we're gonna resolve down to A, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So go back to the first position that we have for low D, D, E, F sharp, up to G, and N, down to E, and N, and then we're gonna end D, E, C sharp, and back to D, and high 10, N. Okay, so let's play the last line smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go. A, 2, 3, tie, and we go. D, E, F sharp, G, and N, D, E, C sharp, D, and tie, and N. So now let's play part 2 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go. A, D, and N, A and B, 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 A, 2, 3, tie, and we go. A, B, and D, and C sharp, B, C sharp, and tie, and we go. C sharp, D, E, D, and A, and B, A, and tie, moving down. D, E, F sharp, G, and E, and the song D, E, C sharp, D, and we go. Let's play full song smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go. F sharp, E, D, A, and go. G, A, B, A, and tie, and A, F sharp, A, D, and C sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, A, and tie, and go. F sharp, E, D, A, and G, A, B, A, and tie, and move down. D, E, F sharp, G, and E, and D, E, C sharp, D, and tie, and to A, D, and we B, 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 A, and tie, and A, B, and D, and C sharp, B, C sharp, and tie, and C sharp, D, E, D, and A, and B, A, and tie, and D, E, F, G, and E, and D, E, C sharp, D, and tie, and N. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.